Ano feeling nimo? Ma-disgrasya ko?
No.
No?
Master, yes, master.
Master di ay. Sige. Mamutag, mga best, mga bat. Mamutag sa nitran.
Ring buntag po.
Ko ba napakaroon si Ate Inday?
Inday! Maybe you remember her, maybe you don't. But here she is.
Mano yung yaya, mano yung tita ni Zoe. Siya nagpadako sa akong uyab. Yes. So, syempre nami diri karon sa jungle, diri sa Camigan Island, diri sa Mindanao. Sige, o karong adlaw nami usa ka challenge kay gipadala sa amo ang usa ka nindot na camera. Unsa gani ang camera nato?
The Insta360 X3.
So nami duha ka buok karon ang akong sa tawag sa Bisaya. Ang ako
Old film.
Gibit-bit. Ikapyot. Ay langgo na.
Gidala?
Ako gigamit karon sa akong tuo na kamot o diri sa akong wala na kamot.
Og makagwapa.
X3 gyapon. So nami duha ka buok kay karong adlaw mag-shooting kami sa Insta360 X3. Dili mi magamit og uban na camera, dili ko mag-drone. Dili ko mag-dako na camera, no cellphone. So, manang challenge karon. Padung nami karon sa usa ka nindot na sapa, usa ka water slide na natural. So,
Tara!
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies.
na-slide ko.
You got some grass. You got some grass in your ass.
Pero at least na-record man, kaya na 360 ako.
So that's one benefit of a 360.
Sige, so ani na 360, ani na camera na siya duha ka camera. So ang usa nasa atubang, pag usa nasa likod. So para ma-capture ang tanan na libo nato, 300. Mao gani gitawag 360 kay 360 siya ma-record. So samtang nag-trekking ni ako nag-record sa iya pero na-download ko, na-slide man ko. So at least na-record man ako akong slide.
So we're here now.
Yes.
At the slide. The slide that we're supposed to slide, not the mudslide. Here in San Isidro, Camigan.
Nakabisita mi diri usa ka beses pero nahadlo ko ma-slide diri kay murag delikado kayo. Mga bata lang naka-slide ani pero karon
I'm still not gonna.
for the vlog ako magsulay. So and tungod wala ko nagdala og drone, kini na lang atong drone. Kunya taas kaayo ang kuan kay basing tingala mo drone akong gigamit gani ha pero dili nakoy usa ka dako na selfie stick. Tanawa.
Joke. 3 meters!
Sus! 3 meters ni siya, 10 feet. So taas kayo, mura siyag drone ba?
So you can really do it all on one camera. So we're gonna get some drone shots of this place and show you guys now.
Sige, lupa na ta! Okay! Atin na eh!
Hey!
Good luck!
Good luck, Lord! Good luck! Okay!
Actually, round 3 ni siya.
Bantay sa lubot!
Bantay!
Okay! Kalaro tayo!
Wait sa!
Okay.
There we go!
Good luck, Loy!
Ano feeling nimo? Ma-disgrasya ko?
No!
No? Nakaisalig na ko.
Master! Yes, master!
Master di ay. Sige!
Pistol!
Good luck!
Okay!
Woo! Oh! Woo! Gisi akong shorts! Oh!
You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back.
Okay na ka?
Dili okay.
Okay ka lang?
Ang tuhod, di arthritis.
Ikapoy si Ate Inday.
So eh.
Asthmatic.
I'm hungry. I need rice power.
Kung basin, mahutdan ka og tissue sa CR.
It's rough.
It's okay. Mura siya kanang Scotch Brite.
Murag Scotch Brite?
It looks itchy.
Ang Scotch Brite ang pinakagahit sa
It's
tanan.
got small hairs on it.
Oh, muna siya ang Valentines og Englisyon Valentines.
Sige. Dalon sa balay nimo. Dili ko ana. Tubig na lang. Dagan tubig sa
Hand
sapa.
na lang.
Ha?
Ano lang?
Pero sa bukid ka malibang, diri ka pananglitan. Kani mong pwede gamitin. Sure ko, wala ka
Grabe.
nagdaga.
Grabe ka.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now.
Sige, so niabot kami diri sa
Giant Clam Sanctuary.
higante na clam sanctuary diri sa Kamigan. So na sila mga dako na clam.
Super dako.
Dako kayo. Diri sa dagat.
Yes. And like baby clams, baby big clams in a nursery. So it's a private sanctuary here because Kamigan is famous for their clams, and it's to preserve their species.
Yun. Og X3 gyapon among gigamit. So gigunin ako ang Rode microphone kay tungod ang X3 na sila mga adapter, so pwede butangan og external mic, so nindot ni siya. Wala ko nakitaan na sa uban na
Action camera.
action camera. Mani usa ka ganahan nako sa X3.
Okay, so we're about to go dive with the giant clams, and the amazing thing is that the X3 is waterproof up to 10 meters, but in case we want to go deeper than 10 meters, I can't swim that deep, but we can put an external dive case on. So, super simple, just click it in, choo. And now she is more waterproof. So, we're ready, ta-da!
I don't mind staying up all night, 'cause I came to get it right, and I won't leave without a fight. Out in the dark, nobody came for my rescue, and I won't come to rescue you. Out in the cold, you bring it on, I'm telling you. Way, 'cause I know where it came from, and then you go from lover, hater, sooner or later you feel so desolated. You're under wheel, and I'm totally jaded. I just don't care about you anymore.
So guys, as you can see, the Insta360 X3 is the perfect vlogging camera. Perfect vlogging camera for those of you who just want like a simple and quick solution to all of your camera needs.
So if you want to shoot a travel vlog, you need 3 cameras. Usually you need a drone, a main camera, and a waterproof camera. So in one little camera, you have it all, the Insta360 X3. So pwede siya mahimog drone, pwede siya mahimog underwater camera, o imong main camera. Walay problema.
So let's talk through some of the quick features of the Insta360 X3. Some of our favorite features that we use to create the perfect travel vlog.
All right, so one of the best things about the X3 is the large screen. So it makes it super simple to just kind of swipe through the different settings, the different features. So super quick, you can choose if you want the 360 camera or if you just want a single one.
Perfect for shooting selfie mode. So they actually have a mode called me mode, and you shoot it like this, so it's like a 90-degree angle, and it captures like you perfectly, and it doesn't capture like the stick. It's really cool. So if you're shooting by yourself and like walking around, you can just shoot like this.
And another feature that is amazing is the hyperlapse. So if you ever try to hyperlapse with your camera, it is super hard. You know, you gotta take a photo, take one step, photo, one step. Takes forever. So with this camera, then you just swipe to time lapse, and then you just walk around. You just walk around very slowly. You want a lot of movement in the video, but it captures it, and it's super simple and super sick.
And then of course, the other amazing feature of the Insta360 is that it's 360. It doesn't matter where you're pointing it. If you have it in 360 mode, it shoots everywhere around you, 360 degrees. So you can like get the coolest perspectives of everything. So guys, we absolutely love the Insta360 X3 camera for vlogging. It's the perfect camera for all of our needs. And if you guys want to get into vlogging, whether that's travel vlogs or just like lifestyle, any kind of vlogs, cooking with your mom, which I want to do, it's really the camera that answers all the questions for you. And if you want to get it now is the perfect time because they have a Christmas promo at the moment. So link in the description if you want to snag a good deal on the Insta360 camera or any of their accessories, anything like that.
So, unta nalingaw ko mo sa ani na vlog. Success kaayo kay 100% filmed on the Insta360 X3.
Even this outro.
Even this outro. So we were considering shooting with my Sony, pero bugat kayo, and then we remembered dapat 100% sa Insta360. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
I got distracted.
Whoops.
By a fish. Guys, you have to look at this. Look at this. Anyway. Okay, so salamat sa pagtanaw.
Oh, amping mo tanan.
Woo!
Ayo